Today we take a detailed look at the FRANKIA Neo My Black Line, a modern integrated motorhome that combines compact dimensions with a premium level of comfort. The model is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, providing confident driving dynamics, a high level of safety, and overall driving comfort. One of the key features is the double floor with a height of up to 40 centimeters. It improves thermal insulation, adds extra storage space. Lightweight materials are used in the construction, allowing FRANKIA to maintain its high-quality standards even in lighter versions. The design also stands out. A clean, understated exterior with a focus on modern, minimalistic lines. Inside, there is a bright, Nordic-style interior that creates a sense of space and comfort. Let's start with the entrance to the motorhome. This model is equipped with an automatic step. It extends when the door is opened or at the push of a button. Entry is convenient, and stepping inside requires no effort. This solution is especially practical for everyday use and makes the motorhome more comfortable overall. This motorhome offers a large amount of storage space. From compact drawers and overhead cabinets for everyday items and small essentials to a spacious rear garage suitable for larger luggage and equipment. This makes storage convenient and allows efficient use of all available space. The table can be extended or folded depending on the situation. When extended, it provides enough space for 4 people to sit comfortably. The dining area easily adapts to different needs. The table is adjustable. It can be extended for dining or kept in a more compact position. It's convenient for working on a laptop, enjoying breakfast, or simply relaxing. There is enough space to feel comfortable even during extended use. A practical solution for everyday use and dining on the road. All windows are equipped with mosquito nets and blackout blinds. This allows comfortable use of the space at any time of day and in different weather conditions. Above the dining area, there are spacious overhead cabinets. They provide additional storage and are well integrated into the interior. Under the rear double passenger seat, there is additional storage space. The seat lifts up, providing access to a spacious compartment. Passenger seatbelts are also installed here, along with an ISOFIX system for child seats. A large panoramic skylight is located in the roof. It fills the interior with natural light and visually makes the space feel more open. The entrance door is equipped with a sunshade blind. It opens and closes easily, providing additional comfort and protection from the sun during the day. Moving on to the kitchen area. There is a 3-burner hob installed here, which is convenient for preparing full meals on the road. Next to it is a sink. It is large and deep, equipped with a full-size faucet, making the kitchen very comfortable to use. Above the kitchen area, there are 3 overhead cabinets. They open easily, revealing deep storage compartments inside. All cabinets feature a soft close system, making operation quiet and smooth. Above the fridge, there are practical wall niches. They are ideal for storing frequently used items and keeping them within easy reach. In the lower part of the kitchen, there are pull-out drawers. They open smoothly and provide easy access to all contents. All elements are equipped with a soft close system, enhancing comfort in everyday use. The refrigerator has a capacity of approximately 140 liters. Inside, the storage space is well organized. Shelves, dedicated vegetable drawers, and side compartments for smaller items. There is also a built-in freezer, which is especially useful for longer trips. Moving to the sleeping area. Under the left bed, there is a large storage compartment. It opens up, providing access to a deep and spacious area. This solution is convenient for storing large luggage and items needed for longer trips. There is also an additional drawer built into the step, another practical storage space that makes efficient use of the interior. Now taking a look at the overhead cabinets in the sleeping area. On the left side, there are 4 cabinets. They are deep, spacious, and equipped with a soft close system. The doors and drawers close smoothly and softly, without unnecessary noise. All mechanisms operate precisely and are well thought out down to the smallest detail. At the head of the bed, there are open shelves with integrated reading lights below. On the right side, there are another 4 cabinets, also deep and fitted with soft close mechanisms. In the center of the sleeping area, there is a panoramic skylight that provides plenty of natural light. This roof skylight is equipped with a mosquito net and blackout blinds, making it practical in all conditions. It allows plenty of natural light to fill the interior. The space becomes brighter and visually more open. Under the right bed, there is a vertical pull-out drawer, a very convenient storage solution. There is also a roof vent for ventilation and 220 to 230 volts power outlets for connecting household devices. Moving to the driver's area. Here you'll find a comfortable multifunction Mercedes steering wheel, along with a modern multimedia system with a display and rear-view cameras. The dual-zone climate control ensures comfort in all conditions. The overall ergonomics and build quality immediately make it clear. This is the level you expect from Mercedes. It's also worth noting the large front windshield, which creates a strong sense of openness. For additional comfort, front sunshades are also included. Let's move on to the bathroom area. On the outside, there are hooks for towels, a practical solution for everyday use. Inside, there is a combined shower and toilet. There is enough space, and a partition separates the shower area, making it clean and comfortable to use. The shower head comes with a long hose and a separate tap, ensuring in use. A notable feature is the fold-out sink, one of the highlights of this motorhome. There are also shelves for storage and a full-size faucet. 2 mirrors conceal additional storage compartments behind them, allowing you to neatly organize all bathroom essentials. A panoramic skylight above fills the space with natural light. Overall, the shower area is easy to use. Everything is well organized and remains practical even during travel. Moving to the dining and lounge area. The LED lighting is turned on. It softly illuminates the entire cabin, creating a cozy atmosphere in the evening. In the front driver's area, there are black sun protection blinds installed. They effectively block strong sunlight, making the drive more comfortable in all conditions. There are both front blinds and side blinds on both sides of the cabin. This allows full control over light levels and reduces eye strain while driving. Such a system is especially useful in sunny weather and during long journeys. In the kitchen area, there is also a window with a mosquito net and sunshade blind. The kitchen itself is finished to a high standard, with quality materials, reliable fittings, and well-thought-out ergonomics. All elements are conveniently placed, making the kitchen comfortable to use even during active travel. Overall, the interior is designed in a way that maximizes space efficiency, with all functions being intuitive to use. The sleeping area is enhanced with ambient lighting, including step lighting, drawer illumination, and general lighting for added comfort at night. Now let's take a look at the bed above the dining area. It lowers smoothly with a single movement. The mechanism works effortlessly. Fabric sides provide a soft finish, and a skylight above adds both light and a sense of space. The bed can be easily returned to its original position. When unfolded, it provides a sleeping area that is comfortable for rest. At the same time, the lounge area below remains fully functional during the day. This solution makes the space more versatile and convenient for everyday use. The motorhome is equipped with a control system. A multifunctional panel allows you to manage key systems and settings. There is also a separate control panel for the heating system. an integrated sound system, spotlights in the dining area, and many additional features enhance overall comfort. Moving on to the technical compartment. This is where the water tank and heating system are located. Next, we take a look at the front section. The large windshield provides a panoramic view, enhancing the feeling of openness and space. We then move outside, where we will take a closer look at the exterior and the key technical specifications of this motorhome. FRANKIA Neo. My Blackline is a premium integrated motorhome. The length is approximately 6.99 meters, the width is about 2.24 meters, and the height is around 2.96 meters. The maximum weight reaches up to 4,500 kilograms, providing a high payload capacity and good stability on the road. It is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, equipped with a modern diesel engine and an automatic transmission. The motorhome is designed for 2 to 4 sleeping places and comfortable passenger accommodation. The fresh water tank capacity is approximately 100 to 120 liters, while the gray water tank is around 90 to 100 liters. The heating system is Truma Combi, providing both cabin heating and hot water, allowing for year-round use. Key features include an integrated body with good thermal and sound insulation, premium quality interior materials, and a double floor for additional storage and insulation. FRANKIA Neo MI Blackline combines compact dimensions, premium comfort, and practical functionality for travel.